Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about surface heater for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 421,240,00001. Surface heaters for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 421,240,00001 are designed to provide an even and consistent heat to the cooking surface of a commercial range. The surface heater is made of stainless steel and is designed to fit the contours of the range top. It has a built-in thermostat that allows you to adjust the temperature from low to high. The surface heater also has a safety feature that will shut off the power if it detects an unsafe temperature. This ensures that your food is cooked at a safe temperature and prevents any potential fire hazards. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement surface heater for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is designed to replace a faulty or worn-out surface heater and can help to fix symptoms such as uneven heating, poor heat distribution, and insufficient heat output. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the power to the Vulcan Hart unit. 2. Remove the existing surface heater by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Clean the area around the surface heater to ensure a good connection when installing the new one. 4. Place the new surface heater into position and secure it with screws. 5. Connect the wiring harness to the terminals on the surface heater and then connect it to the power source for your Vulcan Hart unit. 6. Turn on the power and test that your new surface heater is working properly before using your Vulcan Hart. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.